Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Marty B, and today we're going to be putting the steering column on the L2000 Kubota. This will be the second steering column I've replaced since I bought this tractor. The first steering column didn't work. That's the reason I got a deal on the tractor. And anyway, I was using it, and Ellie's after something up there. Anyway, I was using it, and I broke the steering column again on it. So today I've got one, paid $220 for it online off of eBay. I'll leave a link in the description to where I got it. And anyway, I'm going to replace it today, and like I say, I've done this before, so let me get my tools together and I'll be back with you. Okay guys, first we got to lift the hood. And there's a few things we'll have to do to it. As you can see, it turns all the way around, don't turn the steering wheel. The steering wheel don't turn the wheels at all. So that ain't going to work. There's a few things we have to do to it. First, we're going to have to remove the cap off the top of the steering wheel. That pries off pretty easy. And then, luckily I have all of my tools right here. I think it's 7/8. Nope. Maybe 3/4. Takes a 3/4 wrench to take loose the steering wheel nut. Good, that wasn't on too tight. I don't remember exactly how I took this off. Okay, since I'm right-handed, I want to come around to this side. Take the Phillips head, loosen these bolts. I think I'm going to move you over here so you can see what's going on now. Okay. Hey Bonnie, you helping? Okay, so it takes a Phillips head just to loosen these bolts. There's 4 of them. I've done took one out. Okay, and you'll have to loosen the RPM wire, or if you want to call it a wire. You got to loosen it. It's right here. Got that off. Let's see if this comes off. Okay, what's still got it? Just flat. Almost there we go. Just flat. Okay, so this isn't going as well as I'd like, so we're going to have to start removing this. Okay, you loosen those 4 bolts. That loosens this. If I remember right, got to loosen this fuel. This fuel line. See water before it rains. See it run off. Okay, whole kit and caboodle fell off there. Move it out of the way. Excellent. That's a 14 millimeter. There it went. I know there's something done. Here's the steering box. So we'll take a look, see. No oil or nothing in there, so it don't need a gasket or anything. Alright, so this thing here, this new one, it's going to take 2 dowels to go there. Well, on the old one right here, you'll see it's got a dowel here and a dowel there. So I want to try to take those apart and that one. Now all you do is just place this thing right down on there. Just like so. Alright. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the fuel tank back on. Oh, I guess I need to leave this out of the way first. Be the best. Do that. Okay. What? Okay guys, so I had to go to O'Reilly's and get some half moon keys, and hopefully we'll have one here that will fit. This is an assorted type, so hopefully we'll have one here that'll fit, and I can go ahead and get this thing back together. We can try it out like this. Maybe a little wider. I believe this is the one we need. Okay. Thicker. This one's better. Oh yeah, that's the one I need right there. Okay, so if you'll see there's a slot, and in that slot is where this half moon key goes. It sets in there just like so, and that goes in an indention. Goes on an indention on the side of the column. You see it right here. That goes just like so. If I let go, it's going to fall out. That's how that works. Alright. So, get this lined up where that goes. Just like that. Slop washer goes on top with the nut that goes on top of that. I'm not sure what size that is. Yeah, it is. Okay, it's the 3/4 inch. Okay, that's back together. All that's good. Seems a lot tighter than it was before. Now take my little rubber hammer, put that back on tight, and there we go. Okay, now I'll get the test drive it to make sure it works. Hey guys, it's Marty B. Just completed working on this tractor. I put the new steering box in it, and this is the second one I did on this machine, and first one failed. I don't even know if I made my money back off of it or not, but this one, man, I'm telling you what, it's tight. Doing a great job. I'll put the link in the description to what box I put in there. But it's working great. Can't complain a bit about it. So like and subscribe. Thank you.